Welcome to AI Future Quest, your go-to destination for mastering AI tools and turning them into profit. In today's video, we'll dive into how you can create stunning videos using AI VideoGen to grow your YouTube channel and start earning. Stick around and let's unlock the future of video creation together. First, you need to access AI VideoGen. I have provided the link in the description below for your convenience. Once there, click on Get Started to proceed to the account creation step. Next, click on Continue with Google to start creating your AI VideoGen account. After entering the AI VideoGen homepage, click on Generate a Video to start creating your video. Here you will find many options to choose from. In this example, I will click on YouTube. In this section, enter the keyword or topic for the video you want to make, which will help you earn money on YouTube. Next, change the video language to English and select the length of the video. Then click on Generate Script to move to the next step in the video creation process. After waiting for a while, here is the video script that the AI has created for us. Next, move on to the step of selecting the voiceover for our video. Click on Preview and choose this voiceover.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to start.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to start creating.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to start creating.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to start creating.
Welcome to the future of video.
Then click Continue. In this section, you will select the video frame. Here I will choose a 16:9 frame. Next, you will select the speed of the video. Please choose Fast for me. After that, click on Generate Video, and the system will start creating a video for us, very quickly and professionally. After waiting for a while, the AI has created a fantastic video for us. Here you can edit the script in this section. You can change the voiceover or adjust the music for your video. You can also easily edit the video captions. Now let's listen to a preview of the video.
Have you ever scrolled through social media and thought, how are these people making money online? I mean, it seems like everyone has a side hustle these days, right? Well, if you're looking to dive into the world of online income, let's break down 7 effective ways.
After reviewing it, if the video is satisfactory, click Download Video to download it. Here, set all the options to the highest quality and click Download Video. And that's how you quickly create a video. Thanks for watching AI Future Quest. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI-powered tips to boost your YouTube success. See you in the next video, where we'll continue exploring how AI can help you level up your content creation game.